horseback, and maybe even on foot. This is going to be your favorite spot of this property. You can see the mountain views, the entire 20 acres, and this fantastic rural home with a shop. Hi, this is Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today I am riding Izzy. You have seen her in lots of rural videos before. We're at our newest listing at 8815 South Mohican in Casper, Wyoming. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is over 1,500 square feet. Plus, it has a mudroom. Let's go look inside. You can walk in from outside into this great mudroom. That is a nice addition to this home. Everything's on one level. A separate laundry room is in this door, and this would traditionally be your dining room. Let's go right into this huge kitchen. You have lots of pantry space, a double oven, a cooktop, a very fancy French door refrigerator. Am I the only one that can't remember what you're supposed to call these? Anyway, neutral countertops, and again, lots of storage in this kitchen. The kitchen is open to this family room. There's also a living room, so let's go look at that too. Between the living room and the family room, you can go outside and you've just got to take a look at this view. Okay. The family room area actually leads into the master bedroom. I do not want to forget to tell you that all of the windows in this home were replaced last year, so the work is done and ready for you to enjoy. This master bedroom is light and bright. The new window and this sliding door that goes out to the deck. You've got to see this master bath. I love the Western touches in this bathroom. It has new flooring, toilet, vanity, shower, and it also has the original soaker tub. The owners tell me that this pellet stove heats this entire home. The master is split off from the other 2 rooms, which I know a lot of you love. So on this side of the home, there are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. We have to talk about this 30 by 40 shop. It's amazing. It is 16-foot sidewalls and a 14-foot door. Now, this is framed with red iron and can be heated by the wood stove that's included. A few more things I wanted to tell you. This property has lots of awesome features like rock formations all over the property. You get free internet. Internet is provided by Mountain West because their tower is on the property. There are several different pastures for your horses and a couple of outbuildings. I would love to show you this property. Please call or text us today. We want you and your horses and the rest of your animals to love where they live. See you soon.